If you have thousands of followers on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, here on YouTube, or you run a blog or a website and you're wondering, are there other ways to make money with your platform, with the content that you are putting out there? This is the video that you need to watch. There's a way to actually monetize a website. It's called the popular one. There are many ways or many platforms. The popular one is what's called Google AdSense. That's responsible for these adverts that you can actually see on this side, on this person's website. This is adverts from what's called Google AdSense. Unfortunately, Google AdSense cannot be used, all these adverts cannot be used, for example, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. There is a way that people do actually direct traffic from their their Facebook to their blogs where they can actually have the Google AdSense. But that's another topic for another day. But otherwise, if you are posting content on other platforms that are not blogs or YouTube, then the only way that you probably are going to make money is through what's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically is you signing up with maybe a product manufacturer or a service provider, and you basically promote their services or products to your audience, and for that they give you a commission for every person that you send their way, or even for every purchase. So that's basically, in a summary, how affiliate marketing works. And you can post your affiliate links anywhere, here on YouTube, on Twitter. You can post them on Instagram. You can post them on your TikTok. You can post them on your Facebook, in your Facebook groups. Like, they're just links, so you can basically share them anywhere. Unlike trying to do that with an advertising network like Google AdSense. So in this video, I'm just going to show you where you can actually get some affiliate products or programs to use on your Instagram, your TikTok, your Twitter, here on YouTube, your Facebook, because people do struggle to find these affiliate programs. So this guy is called H Super Tools. I do not know him. I'm not promoting him. I'm not endorsing him. I just thought, let me just put out this disclaimer out there. But they've done a good job in putting all this website together. They've got many tools that you can actually use if you are a blogger or you are a YouTuber. So, but now we are talking about affiliate programs. So if you just go to the website, just search for hsupertools.com. You will not miss it. If you go to the home page and you start scrolling down here, you can actually come to this tab. So this is a list that they put together of the top affiliate programs, so that you can easily find the programs to apply to. So basically, you just click on there, and so here you see all the affiliate programs that they have, and you can see the earnings that you potentially can make from these affiliate programs. This is called Contabo, between £10 and £150. Is it euro? I think it should be pounds or euro, I don't know, per sale. So you can simply click on this website and you go and try and join there. The cookies actually last for 45 days, which is good. There is Bluehost. They give you $65 for every sale. You can basically you can see what's happening there. Category, it's a hosting company, sales, hosting. Looks like most has to do with hosting and email. These guys can give you $100 or 33% recurring commission. Namecheap up to 35% commission. OVH up to 60% commission. Singer up to 60% of commission. So these are some of the best affiliate commissions that you can actually earn from your TikTok, from your YouTube, as long as you've got traffic and traffic that you can direct to these people, and you can make a lot of money. So you can see 30% recurring commission, $5 per lead, or $105 commission. Basically, Canva, you can promote Canva and get up to $36 per subscriber. I didn't know that. It's productivity. Domain, that's $85 to $110 per hosting, or 30% per domain. So these are indeed some of the best affiliate programs out there, and there's a lot. You can see they actually have 36 high earning affiliate programs: SEMrush, GMAS, TubeBuddy, Debounce, Content Studio, Pioneer, Sandy, Udemy. So if you are looking to monetize whatever that you are doing, on your TikTok, on your YouTube, on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, this is the route to go, and you need to actually try some of these affiliate marketing programs right now. So just go to the website. If anything was not clear in the video, just hit me up in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Otherwise, I hope this video helps you a lot. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Go ahead and like the video. Until next time, bye.